Hello, everyone. My name is Alejandro de la Cerda. I'm here with the Herberger Institute Office of Student Success, and today I'm going to show you how to find and how to interpret your major map and your graduation audit, otherwise known as DARS. So from here, you're going to want to go to your My Programs, and from here, you're going to want to click on your major. You'll see this little drop-down menu. And from here, you see you have your major map progress, your graduation audit, otherwise known as your DARS, your major map, and you also have the DARS Explainer experience. And in order to get a full understanding of both your major map and your DARS, you're going to want to click on the DARS Explainer experience. From there, you're going to be taken to this page. And on this page, you're going to see a lot of different resources. And so we're going to start from the top. So you're going to see these two videos, one which is an introduction to your DARS, and the other is how to read your DARS. And that's going to give you a really good solid grasp on how to interpret and read your DARS. We also have some strategies for success that you might want to read through, and also some additional tips depending on if you are a first year student, if you're a transfer student, or anything you might need with an advisor. And you're also going to see how to run your DARS audit and step-by-step instructions here. You also, if you'd like to talk further about your DARS or your major map, definitely click on this tab to make an appointment with your advisor, and they can definitely help you with that. And we're also going to see here some frequently asked questions, both for your DARS, your major map, and any questions that you might have should be under there. And if you have any further questions, definitely contact your advisor if you need any help interpreting or reading your DARS or your major map. And you can do that by going to your academic advising tab. And here we're going to see, you'll see depending on your major, it'll list the different advisors that you have, our office phone number, and a tab to schedule your appointment. So if you have any further questions, you can always give us a call at 480-965-4495. We are also available by email at herbergeradvising@asu.edu. You can also schedule an appointment with your advisor to further talk about your DARS and your major map, or you can email them and you'll have the emails displayed right there. So if you have any further questions, definitely reach out to those resources and we'll be happy to help you. And I hope you have a great day, and I hope you've been able to understand further how to understand your major map and your DARS. Thank you.